Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How are we all doing? I hope our week is great. I hope we're having a productive week. So, today I thought let me come and share something with you. This is also part of our mentorship notes. So, this is specifically for day traders or maybe scalpers, but mainly for day traders. So I wanted to talk about the importance of the stock market open or the importance of the equities market open in USA, specifically that time. So the first thing you want is you want to be on your H1 to confirm a bias. So let's say a bias from a higher time frame. If you've got a bullish bias from a higher time frame, the next thing you want to look for is check if your price is in a bullish order flow, number one, which is on the H1. Check if you're trading above the 13 EMA if you've got moving averages. That's the main thing you need to look for. So this is London session, this is New York session. So we come New York session, that's when we trade. So our price is trading above the 13 EMA, meaning that we've got a bullish bias. So the next thing is you want to jump to your M15 just to confirm candles. So what you look for on M15 is a candlestick, which is also confirming the directional bias. So remember, what you want is price to be showing you a confirmation of a trend. What you want on that trend is this pullback. Right on these pullbacks, that's when we look for our confirming candle on M15. So the confirming candle for this particular move was this one right there. So this one is almost a bullish engulfing, but the candles we're looking for is pin bars. We're looking for dojis, any candle which confirms a bullish move on a certain zone qualifies for what I'm explaining right now. So the next thing is you want to mark your time. So now, since we've confirmed with this candle that we are actually bullish, this is before our trading time, by the way. So yes, you can still execute a buy here with a stop loss outside here with a TP pegged as to 1:2 or 1:3. That's perfectly fine. But for this particular video, I want to show you guys the importance of the stock market open price. And the time is GMT plus 2. This is 14:30 GMT plus 2, which is the time when the stock market opens in USA. So you mark your 16:30 candle, just put a vertical line. The next thing you look for, remember, we've got a bullish trend. We've got a bullish trend. So price pushed up from that M15 candle, which is somewhere in here. Price pushed up and retraced again on a smaller time frame. So remember, we are on M3 now. So again, we're looking for the same candle on that retracement. And here we got a nice doji. Soon as you see that candle, when the next one starts, you can even put a buy stop to execute your trade. And this trade gave us a 1:3 risk to reward ratio, which was a success. So I want to quickly show you guys how we usually like discuss. So today is the 21st. Let's see what was our points when we're discussing gold. So okay, there we go. Okay, we're looking at gold, looking for a buy. We're looking for a buy as a current market price at the time when we checked. And this was our daily view. So we're looking for price to get at least to 27.45 or 27.60. This is showing the buy bias. But again, we're also ready to take a sell. If for some reason we come back below 2700, we were going to look for sales. So we had a plan already at 3 p.m. GMT plus 2 for what we're going to do based on what price was showing us. So coming back to the chart. There we go. This was the trade. So we took this 27.45 is up here. So remember, we want to plan the trade. So if you get your 1 to 3, we usually collapse the trade. All we want to catch is a piece of the pie. So if this price is going to continue all the way up to 27.45, since this is our next point of entry, the piece of that whole pie is this one right here. So we managed to catch a 1 to 3. Then the next trade we took, I actually didn't take gold. That's why I'm not showing you guys the results. But what I executed on though was US30. So US30, same thing, same concept. You want to come with a bullish bias coming from the daily. You come to your H1, you want to confirm that daily bias that you're actually buying. So you need to check if your price is trading above the 13 EMA. Do you have any order flow showing you or market structure showing you that the price is actually pushing up on the near the 13 EMA on your H1? So on H1, you notice all the way from London, we've been trading above the 13 EMA for the most part. So what do? We know that our bullish bias is confirmed. Next thing is we jump to M15 to see if we've got a confirming candle here. So M15 had a bit of a variation. Maybe some might not be able to catch this depending with how you view your price. So here there was no clean candle, there was no doji, there was no what you call it, there was no pin bar showing us that we're buying, although the bullish engulfing we had was actually part of the trade I took. It eventually happened, but M15 had no confirmation here. So jumping to M5, let's see what M5 had for us. So on M5, you see that's where we got the bullish engulfing right at 1630. So your stock market open price is 1630 GMT plus 2. This is 4:30 p.m. GMT plus 2 or 4:30 p.m. South African time. So price came, we got equal lows, right? The initial low, that's where we came. We had an inverted pin bar and a bullish engulfing candle right on our trading time, right? So just to see how M3 was, M3 is personally my execution time. So when that bullish engulfing happened on M5, you can see 1630, I was not in that trade, right? I had to wait for more confluences because price action for US30 was not too clean. Okay, so price then gave me this inside bar, which you see on this gray zone, which is the one I took for a confirmation. Then I entered with a buy stop with a 1:3 risk to reward and a 100-point target. If you're trading indices, you know that we always aim for at least 100 points for a setup to be successful. So just to quickly, the price then pushed all the way straight to TP, as you can see, 1:3 risk to reward. And this is the actually the trade which I executed. So coming back to the results, Gen 21, you see here, let me just open the video quickly of the running trade. Also executed on one of the profilms which we're using. There we go. See if we can remove this background. Okay, there we go. So this was the trade. This was actually approaching our TP. TP for this trade was 100 points. I did not hold all the way up there. I collapsed this trade at around 43 809. I'll show you just now on the results, but you can see this was the running trade. And in terms of results of that particular trade, let's see. You see here we had reached 100 points. So from 43,709 to 43,809, that's your 100 points. Then we closed it at almost 100 points. Let's see, on the bottom there, you see that last trade on 99. So 43,709 to 43,809. Close it with 100 points. That was our trade, and we managed to take 2% for this particular account. So I just thought, let me show you guys, if you are day trading, this is one way you can use to trade as long as you know your bias. So the main thing is you need to know your daily bias. You need to know your daily bias. You need to confirm with H1 for market structure. Then you need to confirm with M15 for a candlestick. Sorry for the spelling there, candlestick. Then you need to enter on M3. Let me just say entry. M3 is the one we use for the entry. So this was our trading session for today, New York session, mainly focusing on the stock market open and the liquidity which is injected into the markets at that particular point in time. So as long as you've got your direction, as long as you've got your bias, it becomes a little bit easier to actually execute your trade. So I hope this session helps you guys. If you still have questions, some more questions, please do get in touch with us. If you want to join the live trading sessions as well, please do join us. Just get in touch and you'll be provided with the Zoom link. In those live trading sessions, I think they come at a cost of about $10 per month. So if you join right now in the middle of the month, that gives you the rest of this month for free, and you only be paying for February. So I hope this helps. I hope you guys are making money. Let's catch up tomorrow. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we have our free live trading session. So if you want to join the free live trading session, just DM, get in touch. You'll be provided with the Zoom link, and we will be streaming a live trading session, New York session in the afternoon, live via Zoom with live trades as long as we've got a setup. So I hope this helps you guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Good trading.